What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, where I just give my thoughts and opinions about what's going on in the car community. And on today's episode we're going to be covering Royalty Exotics, OB Prestige, Manny Koshman and a few others. If you like this kind of stuff, guys, please do get involved. Do smash the subscribe button, like button, and do comment below, because I do bring up your comments every Sunday. I do read them. And guys, if you want to send me stuff on Instagram, my DMs are always opening stories, or want to come for a podcast or anything like that, please do hit me up. It'd be much appreciated. Or even follow me on Instagram as well, that'd be great too. Talking about podcasts, guys, just before I jump into the main video here, just a bit of news. I basically emailed a lot of car YouTubers, and it looks like I'm pretty solid. It looks like I'm going to be doing a podcast with Will Motivation this Sunday. I've been having issues with Zoom. I really want to use Zoom because the layout is better than it is for some other ones. But I've been having issues with the sound and I don't know why, so I need to do some testing. But I should be doing a podcast with him this Sunday. We have set it up to do it. It's just going to be a bit of fun. I've also reached out to Royalty Exotics. Tony over there has gotten back to me. He's going to talk to Houston about Houston coming on the channel for a podcast. These podcast guys are just to try and get to know these people a bit better, just have a fucking laugh and just talk about cars and all the shits and banters that go on. It's just going to be a very relaxed, not serious, just lads having a chat about cars and stuff like that. So hopefully these things will go ahead. Something to look forward to, and I am trying to get more car YouTubers on the channel, guys, to make it fun for you guys to have these really cool podcasts as well. So let's kick into today's video. We're definitely going to be kicking off, we have to, with OB Prestige. What can I say about OB? So OB Prestige, guys, I've been following these guys for the last year, and they're very hit and miss with their uploading, but when they do upload, OB Prestige basically is a car collector and a seller up in Ottawa in Canada. He has an unbelievable collection, and when I say unbelievable, he has some of the sickest cars in there. I'm talking up there with Triple F connection, Manny Koshman, some of the biggest collections of cars on YouTube. He would be up there with them. It's just a pity he doesn't post as much with his the person who does the filming and stuff like that. I would love to see more content. He was doing really well last year, and then COVID hit in, and it's been very hit and miss with the channel. But he has gone away and bought himself, I think he said, his most expensive car yet, a Pagani Roadster BC, and it's in a one-off color. Well, he's the only one with this color, and I haven't seen anybody else with this color. I know Manny Koshman has something very similar, but this is a carbon fiber rose gold mixed with normal carbon fiber, and it is fucking gorgeous. I mean, I just can't get over how well this thing looks. Like the Pagani Hyuara, I always said, is like maybe around my second or third favorite car of all time. This one is so much more aggressive. Just everything about it oozes just class. I think he paid roughly around $3.5 to $4 million US. He's in Canada, so imagine the difference. Like he must have paid extra for that. So I'm presuming well over 4 million Canadian dollars for his car. And guys, go and check out the video. He goes around the car. It's just epic. Every part of it is absolutely stunning. The exhaust system, to the lights, to one of my favorite interiors ever is in a Hyuara. My two favorite headlights ever is the Hyuara headlights and the P1 headlights of all time. But yeah, what an unbelievably sick car, guys. You gotta go check it out. It definitely rivals up there, one of my favorite YouTuber cars I've seen in a long time. I would love to get OB in a podcast and just have a chat with him about cars and his business and YouTube and stuff like that. So if he sees this, hopefully we can sort out a podcast with him as well. So yeah, guys, unbelievable. Go check out the video, link in the description below. Highly recommend it. Next up is going to be Manny Koshman. Manny Koshman has bought his 6th SLR. My God, I think he's on a mission to, if he doesn't already have the most SLRs in the world, but I think he's out to buy them all. Like, I know these things are just going to appreciate in value over the next few years. It's going to be worth a lot of money. But 6 is crazy. It's exact spec as another silver one that he has. Just insane. that he picks these up so easily, and he said he got it for a great price. You wonder how many more cars he can buy to fit into his garage, like where he holds and stores his cars, because it's filling up pretty quickly, and he has so many more cars on the way in. It's insane what he has ordered. I think he's ordered his new GT3 as well. That's going to be getting spec'd. It's just, you know, it just never stops at Manny. It's insane. And I mean, like, another Accelerometer, just like, oh well, you know, why not? Fuck it, you might as well just buy it anyway. You know, it's nothing to him. So yeah, I might actually. I did email Mandy Koshpin and asked him for a podcast as well, but I doubt I'm going to hear back from him. It was worth a try, but we'll see. Next up, guys, is going to be Royalty Exotics. Now, as I said, hopefully get them in a podcast, but my God, I would love to talk to Houston about this CCX. I think this is going to turn out another one of my favourite car YouTubers, because the fucking paint job on this thing is unreal. It's such a vibrant, deep, luscious purple that's going to look unbelievable when it's all put together. It's so sick, and with all the carbon fibre bits in it. He's going black wheels. I wonder if he got the wheels dipped in carbon fibre, or would it be too much carbon fibre on it? But like, I cannot wait to see this thing finished. He's twin turboing it. I mean, Houston just does some unbelievably fucking epic builds. I think this one's going to be probably my favourite, the way it's going to turn out. Purple and carbon fibre are probably my two favourite combo colours out there. I just absolutely love them, and Houston's killing it on this build. Just love seeing the way it's been put together, and his thought process and how he's doing it, and what way it's going to come out. And can't wait to see the rest of the build. So if you haven't checked it out, guys, go check out Royalty Exotics. They've been doing really, really well. Hopefully we can get them on this podcast and just pick their brains and have a laugh at them. And you know, I do have a bit of a quiz game planned up for them as well, and for most of going forward for these podcasts also. So guys, definitely check it out. Let me know what you think of Houston's CCX in the comments below. Next up is going to be Summit Life. Summit Life I haven't covered in a while. They've been like working extremely fucking hard to get their new second shop up and running for their wrapping business and their valet business and detailing. And they have gone away and got a new exhaust system for their Gallardo as Fab Speed. Fab Speed makes some unbelievable exhaust systems. Like, probably one of my most favorite exhaust systems is by Fab Speed for the Murcielago. Best sounding exhaust ever made. But their one on their Gallardo sounds absolutely sick. They've been, you know, obviously trying to film while doing their full-time job, guys. I can understand how hard it is for them. But yeah, it came out really, really nice. I like the sound of it. Here is a quick clip for you guys. And there you have it, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below. They have said they are going to be wrapping the car. Let me know what color you wanted to wrap it. Again, I'm into all my, bright colors. That's what I like. I would love to see them maybe do the green that was on Matt Armstrong's Golf. Would be pretty cool. The kind of satin chrome green, I think would be pretty nice. But I think they might go something not as bright, maybe. But that's just me. I think it'd be pretty cool. But yeah, let me know what you think of the new exhaust system and what colour they should wrap the Gallardo. And last up on the list, guys, is going to be Evan Shanks. He's finally completed his GTS. The one thing I wanted to bring up is how fucking sick the rear carbon wing on it is. I love it. It's a pity it doesn't, as he said, it doesn't actually, he had to take out the motors from the boot, as we say here, but the trunk. So it's fixed. It's a pity, because that thing, duct, it would be unreal. I really like the GTS. The kit in it is gorgeous. The only thing I don't like about the AMG GTs is the rear. I don't like, the problem with this kit is you have the lip kit, and then there's it just flats off the back. I hate that. I'm very about flow. If you have a front spoiler, side skirts, for me you have to have something coming off the back. But it looks way better with the wing on it. I really do like it. I mean, it looks really epic. It looks way better with the car. And he does have a version 2.0 coming, a wide arch kit as well, so a new wheel. So this build is only going to get bigger and better. But for now, that wing really suits it. Great choice by him. Again, guys, link in the description below. Let me know what you think of Evan Shank's MG GTS and the new wing on it as well. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you a million if you've watched to the end. Again, please do fucking smash the subscribe button. Even better, like squad, please do smash that like button for that stupid YouTube algorithm so other people can see it. All the new people who have subscribed so far, thanks a million for giving the channel a chance. And yeah, guys, I suppose this is wrap it up for now. So until the next episode, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.